Pronounced, defined, used in lexical dispatch.
Rococo, noun and adjective. Rocaille, rococoesque, pertaining to the late Baroque period, circa 1700 to 1780, emphasizing lightness, asymmetry, and decorative excess. For example, rococo frescoes, a rococo chapel. By extension, excessively florid or intricate in style. For example, rococo prose, a rococo argument. In literature, occasionally denotes whimsical extravagance, for example, SAT or GRE passages critiquing rococo embellishment in poetry. The palace's rococo interiors featured gilded moldings, pastel frescoes, and intricate fuller motifs. Critics dismissed the poet's rococo verses as overly decorative and lacking substance. The rococo period followed the Baroque era, emphasizing lightness and asymmetry. Her argument was so rococo with unnecessary details that the main point was lost. The novelist's rococo descriptions slowed the pacing of the story. The modern artist's work had a rococo-esque flair, blending contemporary themes with 18th century ornamentation. Though minimalist in structure, the film's costumes were deliberately rococo-esque, evoking French aristocracy. Key tips for standardized tests, TOEFL, SAT, GRE, and GMAT. 1. Likely question formats, analogies. Rococo is to ornamentation as Spartan is to austerity. Tests, understanding of stylistic extremes. Synonym selection. Which word is closest in meaning to rococo? A. Baroque. B. Ornate. C. Minimalist. D. Rustic. B. Ornate is best, though Baroque is related. Sentence completion. The blank detailing of the ballroom reflected the excess of the Rococo period. Rococo fits best. 2. Common confusables. Baroque versus Rococo. Baroque is grand and dramatic. Rococo is lighter, more playful. Florid versus Rococo. Both imply excess, but Rococo is tied to artistry. Gaudy versus Rococo. Gaudy is negative. Rococo can be neutral or descriptive. 3. Relevant idioms or phrases. Rare but testable. Chasing Rococo fantasies, meaning pursuing overly elaborate, impractical ideas. A Rococo mind, meaning someone who thinks in excessively intricate ways. 4. Test-taking strategies, TOEFL. Expect descriptive passages, art, architecture, where Rococo appears as a detail. SAT or GRE, likely in analogy or synonym questions associated with ornate, decorative, extravagant. GMAT, less common but may appear in reading comprehension, business critiques of Rococo strategies. Final note, since Rococoesque is rare, prioritize mastering Rococo itself for tests.